Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can start your private browsing session or your incognito browsing session in your Google Chrome, guys. So I'll be starting this tutorial very quick, so please do follow me. So the first thing what you have to do is make sure that that if there is any Chrome over here, it will be in your taskbar as well. So if it is not there in the taskbar, if for example if this is Chrome, you can just drag it down and it will be in your taskbar over here. So that's how you can do that. And after your Chrome is in your taskbar, you can just right click on Google Chrome and just click on new incognito window. So it will automatically open your incognito window, which is also called as your private browsing session. So in this you won't be, your history won't be saved in your computer anymore, or it won't be available to them as well. And also only if you save your bookmarks, or if you download anything, only that things will be saved. So make a good note of that. You can also start incognito browsing by clicking on this three dotted tab in your normal Google Chrome, and you can also click on this new incognito window, which will open another incognito window as well. So, and there is another way. You can also press left control plus left shift plus N. So if you press those three buttons all together, then your incognito tab will open. So there are three methods to open this incognito or your private browsing session tab. So I hope that this video will help you in some other way. If this video helped you, then please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now, guys. I'm AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care everybody.